Assalamualaikum and welcome again, dear students of class 9th. Today I am with a new topic, that is Palanquin barriers. Palanquin barriers. It is your poem written by Sarojini Naidu on page number 80. Now today we are going to read about it. Firstly, Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet, a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti-imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the name Nightingale of India. She was also called Nightingale of India, and this name was given to her by Mahatma Gandhi. She was also called Bharat Kokila, and the name was given to her by Rabindranath Tagore. So the poem Palanquin Bearers. Firstly, we will see what Palanquin bearers mean. Palanquin means डोली, जिसमें दुल्हन को ले जाते हैं, and bearers वो लोग जो डोली को उठाते हैं. The poem beautifully compares the bride to numerous images. The bride is carried in palanquin, which was until recently a part of Indian culture. The poem is written by Sarojini Naidu and is so beautifully woven around the custom of carrying bride in the palanquin by palanquin bearers. They are so happy in carrying the newly wedded princess to her in-laws' house that on the way they are singing along in harmony with their movement. That is how they transform their dull task into one full of joy. This is what the poem is about. Now I will tell you stanza wise the explanation of the poem. First stanza. The poetess tells us the palanquin bearers carry the newly wedded bride in a palanquin very gently and are moving very softly. As they are carrying the bride to her in-laws' house, they are singing along and do not feel it as a burden. They tell that the bride is so light to carry, and it feels like the princess is swaying with the movement of the palanquin. And the palanquin bearers song just like a flower sways in the wind. After this, here the movement of bride is compared to the bird that skims on the foaming fruit of a stream. The bride is so delicate to carry and resembles that bird, and she is said to be floating like a dreamy smile from the lips of a person who dreams. The bride is leaving her parents behind and is going to start her new inning with her beloved, so she has mixed feeling. She is ethereal, just like a tender love that energizes from the lips of a person. The palanquin bearers say that they are happy to carry the bride in the palanquin with pride, just as some rich woman would wear pearl necklace around her neck and carry. Here the bride is compared to the pearl on a string, since she is precious and delicate like a jewel. After this, the palanquin bearers further describe the delicate and tender bride, saying that they carry her softly on their shoulders. They carry her softly on their shoulders. Here the bride is compared to a star that is reflected in the soft dew drops. the image of star gets reflected in the soft dew drop. She is so brightly dressed that she appears to be like a shining beam of light that is reflected from the surface of wave. She appears to be jumping like that. Yet at the same time, she is so tender and delicate that they compare her to a gentle drop of tear that falls from her eyes as she is leaving her loved ones to start a new life. The palanquin bearers sing happily as they smoothly carry the palanquin bearing the bride so that she would not feel the journey hard. They carry her along as if she was precious jewel possessed. She was a precious jewel to be possessed by her husband. So the palanquin bearers just take the palanquin as they are carrying the flower. The poet has used two images deliberately to convey the contradictory feeling of joy and sadness. In the first stanza, the poet says that she floats like a low. This conveys the joy of anticipation as she is going to her husband's house. Her heart is full of excitement as the palanquin moves towards the house of her soul mate. In the second stanza, the poet compares the bride to a tear falling from the eyes of a bride to lend a touch of sadness to the description. This aptly describes the state of bride's mind as she is sad at separation from her parents and family. The poet has used a variety of literary devices. The poem is full of descriptive similes. She is compared to objects known for their beauty, delicacy, worth, and brightness. The variety of similes used lend modesty and beauty to sweet occasion. When the bride is being carried to her husband's house. So this was all about the poem palanquin barriers, and I hope you all have understood it properly. If we go to the theme of the poem, it reflects about the Indian marriages and their culture. The poet has deliberately used the contradictory feeling of laughing and weeping. The bride is sad and is crying as she is separated from her family. So this was all about the poem, and this is a very emotional poem. Now you will go on page 81 through glossary. You will learn, read and understand it. Also I am providing you the notes of the same. You will copy them and write down the book portion. This all was for the day, and next time we will meet with the new topic. Thank you. Have a good day.